So we're one of the teams that is on Thes, and we are very proud of being there. And we are building Octappush, that's a social network for mobile apps. We provide for mobile apps and mobile app users, of course, and we give the ability to users to find what their friends have on their phone and find what is useful on other phones. And it's like Goodreads. Everyone that knows Goodreads is about a social network about books. So there are thousands right now of social networks about books, movies, TV shows, but there hasn't been a great and very good one, or even a very good one, social network about apps and what your friends have on their phones, or people you admire and you want to get to know them better and better. So we have some stats from the stores. From 2 days ago, how many apps the Google Play Store has. So let's say how many think that it's over 1 million apps. Over 2 million apps. The Google Play Store has over 2 million apps. Over 3 million apps. Over 4 million apps. Okay, so the Google Play Store has 3.5 million apps right now. So it's a very big number. If you see the growth rate is like 4,000, almost 5,000 apps per day are uploaded on Google Play. And we must say that Google Play is from 2012, that's when the store launched. And if you think about the iOS store, the App Store as they call it, which is quite older, is from 2008. How many apps does the App Store has? Over 2 million? 3 million? Well, the App Store has only 2 million apps because the growth rate, and well, there's so many other reasons for that growth rate. The new apps that are being uploaded to the App Store is lower. And let's see some app usage. So we've got so many apps, and people use almost all of their mobile time on like half the time they use it on one app, and almost all of the time in 10 apps. So it's quite, we've got a great variety of apps, and we've got too many apps that people spend their time. And they spend almost 18 hours per week on their smartphones. And there's also one stat I haven't put here, a new app that the user downloads. The user uses it about 10% of the users use it over 1 week, and 4 to 5% of the users use it after 1 month. So there's very low usage of apps, and we've got so much variety of apps that the user can download and use also. It's like hearing 5 songs, the same 5 songs every day. That's what I did with my colleagues yesterday. So the App Store is actually broken. It's actually broken both for the iOS and the Android. And there's some stats for that people no longer find new apps through the default App Store. They learn new apps through their friends and their colleagues. They ask them something, and they ask them what they have and what they want, a great calendar or something like that, or even a great game, a mobile game to play. And the second one is from our team, and we see here that people love talking about apps to their friends and of course to other people that they meet. So there are thousands of people that have one of those two experiences. From one perspective, they download an app for their need and have, and the problem is that they don't like it, they delete the app, and afterwards they search for a new app, a new app, a new app, until they find an okay, not great, an okay app that they can use and be satisfied at least about that. And there's the other perspective that people love talking about new apps all the time and finding and new apps each day and communicating about those apps. How many people play the mobile game, and after the next day they told their friends, you know, I spent last night playing this mobile game for like 3 hours and I lost my sleep. So we've got those both perspectives, and it's really interesting because this is not a new problem. It's quite old. It's after 1 or 2 years that the App Store launched, and there isn't right now a great solution or an adequate solution to solve this problem. This is our solution. It's based on social. Of course, we believe that communicating, just like you communicate with Instagram, Twitter, or every other social application about news or books or anything like that, you won't communicate about great apps that you have on your phone. So this is, we are on Play Store for now. This is a few months app. We've got a greater and better app on the App Store, on the Google Play Store. This is the team. We are a small team of 2 people, and this is the way you can find us. You can download the app, you can send us an email, and we'd love your feedback. And of course, you can go to the site, or there is an even better way to find us. We thought about a campaign on about Republica, and we connected with some of the speakers and asked them what are the top 3 mobile apps they have. This is mine, but you can find all the great apps of the speakers that are on this event through this link, and we love your feedback. Thank you.